Imagine DataTypes is like a magical school locker where you store all sorts of information you need for your classes. To keep things organized, you have special data types, which are like different types of lockers, each designed to hold a specific kind of information. Inside these lockers, you store information in variables, which are like books filled with the information you need. Think of data types as different types of lockers. Each type of locker is built to store a specific kind of information. Example: you have a special locker for your English class notebook, which is a string locker. Inside this locker, you can store books filled with words and sentences. In this example, string is the data type of the locker, a special locker for storing books that contain words and sentences. Inkbook is the variable name, like the title of the book you are putting in the locker. Grammar textbook is the value stored inside the book. Changing the content. Just like you can replace the book inside the locker, you can change the value stored in a variable. Using the information. To use the information stored in a book, you just call it by its title. Basic rules: one book, one locker. Just like you can't put the same book in two different lockers at once, you can't have the same variable name holding two different pieces of information. It's like trying to put your English book in both your math locker and your science locker. That's impossible. No special characters. Imagine trying to put a book with a funny symbol in its title in your locker. You wouldn't know where to put it. In C#, you can only use letters, numbers, and underscores in your variable names. No spaces, dashes, or other symbols are allowed.